Greetings, Minnesota historians! Happy Friday. You made it through the week. Ms. Hawes coming at you again. Just checking in. Wanted to check in with you this Friday. I know things were a little different this week with our social studies content that came out. I hope that you found it a little bit clearer, a little bit more easy, a little bit more streamlined. We're trying to make things a little bit more simple for you. I just want to check in and make sure you have everything you need to turn in today and you are all caught up, okay? So today's slideshow, let's take a look at that first. Here we are, this opening slide, just a chance for you to see some images from that chapter 18 in our textbook and what we're talking about this chapter with the civil rights movement, the anti-war movement, the American Indian movement, and the women's movement. Today, Friday, May 8th, you made it to the end of the week. You're going to start with a warm-up, watching the end of, another part of that video we started this week, just a snippet of it, so that kind of warms you up and gets you started. Our word of the day is movement. We're going to ask that you watch another short video. I think it's only about 6 minutes or so, and think about what that word movement means. How was it talked about in the film? And then lastly, don't forget to write your second response to either one of these videos that you watched or to a song that you listened to. You have to pick something from the last couple days, okay? So you should have gotten this page in Google Classroom, all right? It should have made a copy for you, and when it did, you should notice that Tuesday, you just watched a BrainPop video on Jim Crow. Wednesday, you listened to 2 songs, hopefully, one from Billie Holiday, one from Nina Simone, and then on Wednesday, your job was to pick one of these things. So which of these did you connect to the most? Which did you find the most interesting? And then your job is to write right here, underneath, in this box, I liked this song because, right? So you're telling us what you thought of the content that you picked or that you most connected with. Wednesday, you also were supposed to learn segregation and then the word discrimination. And your job was to Google search one of those 2 words, pick one, and then find an image that shows what the word means to you. You should be putting this image right here in that Wednesday box. Now, Thursday and today, you had a couple of more videos to watch. So now on Friday, your job is to pick one of those videos and again, write a reflection on it, a response to it. What did you think about it? Did you enjoy it? Why or why not? What connection could you make to it? And then pick boycott or movement. Do a Google search, pick an image that represents one of those things, and put it right here in the box. You will turn in this page in Google Classroom today, so make sure that you get that done, all right? Lastly, your exit tickets right here in the box. I know some of you were having trouble clicking on that link. Go into presentation mode if you're having trouble clicking on that link and try it then. If that doesn't work, let your teacher know, and we will help you by sending you the link. If you're looking for some bonus points, you're looking to bring your grade up, you're looking to cure your boredom, find something to do, Mr. Ziegler and I are now presenting our Challenge Bonus Corner. There's a couple of songs for you to listen to today if you're interested in participating. And if you click on this link, you will bring you to a Google form where you can respond with your thinking about what you chose to watch, and it will earn you a daily bonus point. So it's an extra. It is not a requirement, but if you want to bring your grade up, earn some more points, there it is for you. All right, that's Friday in a nutshell. I hope this all made sense. Make sure that you watch the video, learn the word of the day, write your second response, Friday's response, and then turn in this page in Google Classroom. All right, that's it. That's all you have this week. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Email us with any questions. See you Monday.